so this will just be a really quick video just to wrap up the year basically. Yeah, yesterday we thought, well, roads are quiet, no one's around. We thought we'd do some test driving. So Tony's truck here, we took that for a test drive. All went well, beautiful, drives nice, all that sort of stuff. So we're just waiting on everyone opening next year again so we can do some air conditioning parts or mainly get the lines done, that sort of thing. And then a couple of electrical jobs and it's done. The big blue truck, sort of back over there, there we go. We took that out as well. Same thing, up and down the road a few times, not too bad. Apart from, we ended up having it flooded and stalled. Looks like maybe it's got a bit of crap in the fuel filter, so whether it's coming out of the tank, we'll address that. That shouldn't be too big a job. And then my 59, it's been running and driving, but we've only ever just driven it in and out of the workshop sort of thing. So we thought, oh look, we'll go up the road, bit of a test drive, shift gears, stop stairs, everything seems to be fine with that as well. So get some exhaust on it, probably a proper wheel alignment, and then it could go for a little bit more of a drive, but then it'll probably go into storage while I save up the money to get it painted. But I'm going to bring the Barracuda here and get some stuff done. So yep, just after this, a couple of quick videos of the stuff driving. That's it for the year. See you in 2023.
Okay, here we are in Von Custard's 54 Chev truck pickup. Long pickup.
Long bed.
Yeah, long bed. There you go. That's what all the cool guys say. Was it truck gang?
Truck gang. Truck gang.
I don't know how that works.
I don't know.
But anyway, that's another YouTube reference. Yeah, so what we've done is basically it was an original truck. We've taken motor and box out, diff out, replaced it with and front end. So it's a Mustang 2 style front end. Crate, Chev 350, Turbo 350, Salisbury diff. So yeah, so we'll take it for a bit of a drive and see how it goes.
Yeah, that's right.
Whoop.